For the past few years, the internet has been an essential part of our daily routine. It allows us to do numerous activities remotely. For instance, a lot of people can now work from their homes. This is beneficial because of the stay-at-home orders due to the pandemic. But if you're not already, how can you start earning money online? To give you a better view, here are some ways to make money without leaving your home. 1. Take online surveys. Taking online surveys is a popular way to earn money while you're at home. However, keep in mind that it will not make you rich. Typically, the payout for taking online surveys ranges from $0.50 to $3. As such, it can only be an additional source of income. Some of the recommended websites you can visit if you want to take online surveys are Swagbucks, Inboxstellar, and Survey Junkie. Aside from that, you can also participate in online groups that test products at home. To do this, you can visit websites like focusgroup.com. 2. Work as a freelancer. One of the most common ways to earn money without leaving your home is to be a freelancer. This option is for those who want to earn extra money or try a new career. Remember, freelancers work independently, and they provide services according to their client's demands and availability. As such, if you have a skill that is currently in demand, you can sign up on online platforms like Upwork. From there, you can search for opportunities to showcase your talent and earn money at the same time. 3. Teach online classes. Teaching online classes is another great way to earn money while you're at home, especially if you're passionate about sharing your knowledge. Teaching online classes doesn't only focus on traditional subjects, such as math and English. Keep in mind that the internet is filled with people who want to learn a lot of things, like cooking, dancing, and foreign languages. The best part is that you don't have to rent a classroom to teach online. You can either live stream your lecture on social media or teach through video calls. 4. Create a blog. Finally, the last on this list of ways to make money without leaving your home is to create a blog. By doing this method, you can generate passive income, especially if you can produce interesting content. Your content can be anything you are passionate about. For instance, you can blog about fashion trends and share some fashion tips if you like beauty and fashion.